Allah does not look at your appearance or wealth, but rather He looks at your hearts and actions. My heart is not the cover of a book. It isn't something you can just judge with a look. It is something that took years of pain and hurt to find the right words to form, to find the source of light that brings calmness to the storm, so that I can be reformed and transformed. My heart is not something between you and me. It is between myself and Him. Between my words, actions, feelings, and intentions. A reflection of my outside and in. My heart is the container of guidance and emotions. With the light of the Quran and Sunnah, I have insight, I see the solutions. And when the heart is humble to its owner, it can go deeper than any ocean. Now that my heart is ignited with the light of Iman, illuminated and alive, I know right from wrong, so that I can be a consistent source of goodness for everyone, so that I can have a heart that is Qalb Salim before I meet with the One.